Gone are the days where word of mouth was enough to sustain a business. Nowadays, if you're a health coach, you need to have a strong digital marketing strategy in place if you want to continually attract more clients and grow your business. Think about it. Most people turn to the internet for answers to their health-related questions. Whether it's researching symptoms or finding healthy recipes or looking for workout routines, the internet is the go-to source for information. So as a health coach, you need to be where your potential clients are, online. Having a strong online presence not only helps you reach more people, but it also establishes you as an expert in your field. By sharing valuable information and insights online, you can build trust with your audience and position yourself as a go-to source for health and wellness advice. Plus, with so many health coaches out there, it's important to stand out from the crowd. A digital marketing strategy can help you differentiate yourself from competitors and attract the clients that are the best fit for your business. If you are not using digital marketing to promote your health coaching business, you are missing out on a huge opportunity to reach more people, establish your expertise, and grow your business. So let's dive into some strategies for how you can use digital marketing to get more clients and build your brand. The first thing you want to do is identify your target audience. Before you can start attracting more clients, you need to know who you are trying to attract. This means understanding your ideal client, the person who is the most likely to benefit from your services and who you can help best. To do this, you want to start asking yourself some key questions. Who do you enjoy working with the most? What are their common struggles or pain points? What are their goals and aspirations? By answering these questions, you can start to build a clear picture of who your ideal customer is. Then you can create your ideal customer profile. Once you have a general idea of your ideal client, it's time to create your ideal customer profile. These are fictional representations of your ideal client, complete with a name, an age, job, interest, and more. By creating these personas, you have a better understanding of your audience, and then you can tailor your marketing efforts to their specific needs and their preferences. Now, I know what you're thinking. Creating an ideal customer profile sounds like a lot of work, but taking the time to understand your ideal client and create these personas means that you can create more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. This means that you can speak directly to them and they will think that you are talking directly to them and understand their problems. And who knows, you may even enjoy the process. So grab a cup of tea and put on some relaxing music and you can get started on identifying your ideal client and creating your customer personas. Your future clients and your business will thank you for it. The next step is being memorable, and this means developing a strong brand identity. As a health coach, you're not just selling a service, you're selling yourself, and that's why it's important to develop a strong brand identity that reflects who you are, what you stand for, and what makes you unique. You want to start by identifying your values and your message. What do you believe in? What sets you apart from other health coaches? What do you want your clients to feel after working with you? Once you have a clear understanding of your brand values and your message, you can start to develop a brand that reflects those values and that resonates with your audience. Next is your brand image. One of the keys to a strong brand identity is creating a memorable brand image. This means developing a visual identity that reflects your brand, your message, and your values. Think about the colors, the fonts, and the imagery that is best going to represent you and your brand. You want to create a visual identity that is not only eye-catching, but is also memorable. And don't forget about your brand story. This is the narrative that ties everything together and helps your audience connect with you on a deeper level. Share your personal journey and why you became a health coach. Highlight your unique perspective and what sets you apart from other health coaches. By sharing your story, you can build a stronger connection with your audience and create a more memorable brand identity. Remember, your brand identity is a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. So you want to take the time to develop a strong brand identity that truly represents you and that resonates with your audience. Who knows, you might just be the next big thing in the health coaching world. Next is creating a compelling website. In today's digital age, your website is your storefront. It is the first impression that many potential clients will have of your business, so it's crucial that it reflects your brand identity and provides a user-friendly experience. The first step to a great website. You want to start by designing a website that reflects your brand identity. You want to use those colors, the fonts, and imagery that you've established in your brand identity to create a consistent look and feel across all of your marketing channels. Make sure that your website accurately represents who you are and what you have to offer. But a website that reflects your brand identity is only half of the battle. It also needs to be user-friendly. That means that it should be easy to navigate and easy for them to find information. It needs to have clear calls to action that guides the visitors towards the next step. Don't overload your website with too much information, but make sure that the most important details are easy to find. Now let's talk about health coaching SEO. We do not want to forget about SEO. Your website won't do you any good if nobody can find it. You want to make sure that your website is optimized for search engines by including relevant keywords in your content and metadata. This will help your website in search engine results and also help it to attract more traffic to your site. So take the time to create a compelling website that accurately represents your brand identity, is user-friendly, and is optimized for search engines. Your website can be a powerful tool for your growth of your business, so make sure that it shines. Next is social media. Love it or hate it, social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with potential clients. But with so many platforms out there, how do you know which one is the right one to focus on? So how do you choose the right platform? You start by choosing the right platform for your business. Consider where your target audience spends their time and what platform aligns with your brand identity. For example, if you specialize in wellness and mindfulness, platforms like TikTok could be a good fit. If you focus on corporate wellness, LinkedIn could be a better choice. Then you want to create a content strategy. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create a content strategy. And this means figuring out what kind of content you will want to share and how often. Your content should align with your brand identity and provide value to your audience. You want to share articles and posts and things that educate and inspire your followers. This is going to help you get engagement. Because you don't want to forget about engagement, because that is what social media is all about. It's about building relationships with your audience. This is when you respond to comments and questions and messages and encourage conversation. By engaging with your audience, you'll build trust and create a stronger connection with potential clients. So let's get social. Choose the right platform, create a content strategy, and engage with your audience. Social media can be a powerful tool for attracting clients and growing your business. Plus, it's a fun way to connect with like-minded individuals and build a community about your brand. Next is email marketing. While social media may get all the buzz, email marketing is still the most highly effective way to connect with potential clients. In fact, email marketing has an average ROI, are you ready for this, of $42 for every dollar spent. Talk about a return on investment. The first place to start is to build an email list. You want to start by creating an email list of interested individuals. You can offer a free resource in exchange for their email address. This is called a lead magnet. This gets you permission to add them to your list and includes an easy way for them to opt out. When it comes to creating email content, you want to focus on providing value to your subscribers. Share helpful tips, insights, and advice so that they can use that information to help improve their health and well-being. Keep your tone friendly and approachable and avoid being too salesy. Of course, you can still promote your services through email marketing, just do it strategically. Instead of pushing a hard sell, focus on educating your subscribers about what you offer and how you can help them. Share your success stories, your case studies, and your testimonials from your happy clients to showcase your experience. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. By creating an email list, providing engaging content, and promoting your services strategically, you can connect with potential clients and grow your business. And hey, you might have a little fun in the process. So let's talk about advertising. Advertising online can be a powerful way to reach a wider audience and attract new clients. But before you dive in, it is important to create a budget and determine exactly how much you're willing to spend. And once you have a budget in mind, consider which advertising platforms might be most effective for your business. Google Ads and Facebook Ads are two popular options for health coaches. Google Ads allow you to show up in search results when someone searches for keywords related to your business, and Facebook Ads can be highly targeted based on demographic interests and behaviors. Next, you create your marketing message. When it comes to creating your ads, you want to focus on creating a marketing message that speaks to your ideal clients. You want to use eye-catching visuals and concise language to grab their attention and make them want to learn more. Consider using a lead magnet in exchange for their contact information. Next, you want to track and adjust. You do not want to forget to track your results and adjust your campaigns as needed. You want to keep an eye on your cost per click and your conversion rates and other key metrics to ensure that you're getting the most bang for your buck. Online advertising can be a great way to get your business in front of a lot more people and attract new clients. But be strategic, stay within your budget, and create compelling campaigns that speak to your ideal clients. With a little bit of effort and some savvy marketing tactics, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving coaching business. Let's talk about the power of content marketing. Content marketing involves creating valuable information and content for your target audience with the goal of building trust, establishing your expertise, and ultimately attracting new clients. One of the best things about content marketing is that there are so many different types of content that you can create. You can create blog posts and videos and podcasts. The possibilities really are endless. The key is to focus on creating content that speaks to your ideal client, that you like to create, and that provides your clients with real value. For example, if you specialize in helping people with stress management, you could create a blog post on 5 simple ways to reduce stress in daily life, or a video on yoga poses for relaxation and stress relief. The goal is to offer actionable advice and insights that can improve your audience's lives. Then you promote your content. Once you've created your content, you can't be shy about it. You have to promote it. You want to promote your blog posts on Facebook and Twitter, create eye-catching graphics to promote your videos on Instagram, and send out weekly or monthly newsletters with links to your latest content. The great thing about content marketing, it can be a highly effective way to attract new clients over time. By consistently creating valuable content and promoting it through various channels, you'll build a following of people who trust and appreciate your expertise. As you can see, digital marketing can be a game changer for health coaches looking to attract new clients and building a thriving business. And by following these strategies outlined in this video, you can create a strong online presence, you can attract a loyal following, and ultimately, you can grow your business. So let's recap just a couple of the strategies that we talked about. We talked about identifying your target audience and creating your customer personas. We talked about developing a strong brand identity that resonates with your ideal clients. We talked about creating a user-friendly website that reflects your brand and is optimized for search engines, and utilizing social media to promote your business and engage with your audience. Harnessing the power of email marketing to stay in touch with your subscribers and promote your services. And we talked about investing in online advertising to increase your reach wider and to attract new clients. We talked about creating valuable content that speaks to your target audience and promoting it through various channels. And remember, building a successful coaching business, it takes time and effort. But by implementing these strategies and staying focused on your goals, you can create a thriving business that helps people and improves their lives. So what are you waiting for? Get your marketing game on and start attracting the clients that you deserve. And if you're a health coach looking to take your business to the next level, don't miss out on the Smart Arsenal. Our platform offers a wealth of resources, including courses created by entrepreneurs, done-for-you templates, and hands-on coaching, all designed to help you master the art of digital marketing and grow your business. So join the Smart Arsenal today and start learning the skills you need to attract new clients, build your brand, and create a thriving business. With our help, you'll have the knowledge and tools to succeed in a competitive world of health coaching. And don't let the this opportunity to transform your business pass you by. Join the Smart Arsenal today and start your journey towards digital marketing mastery. And remember, you do not need a marketing degree, boatloads of cash, or a marketing staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and using digital marketing for your health coaching business is definitely smart.